Hey everyone, it's me, Code 1996, and I'm back with the Hoover Dual Power Pro Carpet Washer. And you can see we have some pretty dirty carpet. It's been a little while since I've shampooed again. You can see there's some spots all over the floor. And first off, what we're going to use is their little pre-treat tool. And it says turn to wash mode on top tank to begin cleaning. Alright, so you just pull this down like so. Excuse me, Molly. And you just clip it in place like this. See, this little section goes in that white spot right there. And you just clip it in like so. Just clips in like that. And then you turn it to wash. You see that's the rinse. And that's wash. And you hit the on button, which is right here. This green one on the right here. And we're going to pre-treat. Alright, so there's a little green button here that you just push. You're probably going to have to find it. There we go. And it comes out like so. You just spray and pre-treat the spots. You can see it's already starting to dissolve the urine. There's two over here. There's another spot right here. Let's pull this spot. I don't know how long this is, but I know the hose is 8 feet. So we're going to spray those. Spray that one. And just give the overall just a little bit of a little spray to help it start breaking down the dirt. This is a cool little attachment. Alright. So we're going to turn it off. And you come back here, there's a little green thing right there. You just push that, or like you can see that I just push that. Oh, it's not going to do that every time. But you push that button and that comes out. Like, so you really got to pull it. There's going to be some fluid that comes out, but that's fine. It's not going to hurt anything. And that comes up like that. Hey, Molly. She was the star today. So, now what we're going to do, and she's probably going to run again, we're going to go over this spot right here, which I can't hardly see the spot anymore because of how good this carpet solution is. I don't see it anymore. So, we're gonna go over it. So, I don't know where the spot was because apparently the pre-treatment worked. So we're just going to clean it. So let's do this. It is on wash. And you can really hear it get in there. So I'm going to pull the trigger and I'm going to do the clean deuce. We're going to do one regular one and I'm going to do a clean deuce beside it. So we'll pull the trigger and move forward. You can see it, brush is spinning. It's agitating all that dirt up. Scrubbing that carpet. All that dirty water. The formula smells great. Alright. So let's feel it and see how wet it is with that. And honestly, it's not that wet. It's a little bit damp. I'm sure another dry pass would pretty much get that virtually dry. So we're going to go over here. We're going to do another pass with the clean boost, like pressed down for like heavy traffic or spots. So we're going to try that right now. Turn it on. This is the handle release right here. So I'm going to push this. See how much more solution it comes down. See if it gets any cleaner. it is a little bit more damp than this side right here, but of course this side used more water. But that's more for like if you have tough spots or really high traffic areas that you really need to clean. But most of the time I just use the regular spray so you don't use too much water. So we're going to go over this little middle section right here just to finish that up. I'm just going to use a quick little forward and back with the spray. So, I feel this is deep cleaning better than this will pretreat from Hoover. And I like how everything's clear where you can see the dirt and see when it stops coming up. You stop picking up that water. Spots up here, the little darker ones. You can still kind of see the little dark spots, but again, the pre-treatment did its job at getting most of it up. Bringing it to the surface so I can extract it. All sides of the carpet simultaneously, sucking up all that dirty water. Just a couple passes and almost all the water is picked up. We're going to do this high traffic area here, so I am going to use the clean boost spray, the actual spray boost. Brush bar, agitating, getting all that done up. Other manufacturers is this wash mix, so now we're going to hit the rinse, and it's just going to apply clean water down, because you always want to rinse your carpet after. Like I might not do it on video, but I always go back over with the Pro-Heat with clean water that extracts all that soap. So now we're going to go over with just some water, and we're going to rinse the carpet, which will even pick up more dirt with the clean water. And make sure we get all of that soap out. about a meter, I think, with just like 3 passes, almost 3 passes. So we're going to go over to my pass. You can see all that water, all the chloride, the non-vacuumable there, as I call it. That's some other people too. There's only so much you can vacuum out of carpet before you need a carpet washer to get the rest of it out. The power of the tools. So I'm going to take the tools out right here, and I'm going to demonstrate this one and this one, because I know I don't really demonstrate the tools much on these, and I've had people request, we want to see the tools, so I'm going to show you the tools. And I'm going to put this on right here, like so. You can see I don't have much water in there. There's a little bit of water right there, so we're going to do just a little bit of a demonstration. So this, you see how that popped in there, and this is going to pop in right here, like so, right in there. And if you want to take this off, you make sure it's off, because when it's on, it will really suction down and you can't do it. Just hit that with your thumb. So what I'm going to do is, I have some Dr. Pepper right here, and I'm going to take this and do this to the carpet. Ooh. Alright, so let's turn this on, and we're going to see how much powerful this is. Alright, you can see that spinning with my hand pushing down on it pretty hard. It's still spinning, still cleaning that carpet. So we're going to spray this right here with some solution, like so. Alright, now we're going to suction up this right here. It's scrubbing it deep in that carpet pile, getting out all that Dr. Pepper. You see all that right there, it's taken out. Alright, that looks about clean to me. That looks good. Alright, so turn it off to change these, because like I said, it's hard to do when you're sectioned. See, that's still spinning. So I'm going to take this off. We're going to put this little one on and see how well this works. And one thing I do notice that I don't know if most people do, I don't know what the main difference between these two heads are, but this one actually has a little bit more airflow than this one. I think it's because this one uses the fan, kind of like Dyson, a clean motor fan, to spin the fan that spins the turbine to make that work. So I'm going to go back over this area where I went over with that one and watch. You can see there's still more solution in the carpet. So this one, the spin scrub one, is good for scrubbing. I would use this to scrub spots or stairs or upholstery. But when you're ready for the final extraction and rinse, I'd switch over to this because the hard spot is done and you want this to extract the water. So you're going to do this right here, and you can see, just picks it right on up like that. Just a couple passes, spray down the water, and clean this right up. And there is a lot of suction power in this. Like, that is a lot of suction power. You just hear that airflow. It's like up there with like my rug doctor, my new rug doctor. So you can see how deep that cleans. It just gets it all right up. Fantastic. Alright, so let's take a look at this water and see how dirty it is. Sorry, I had to put the drink back up there. Look at this water. This is all the dirt and grime that you would be getting out of your home with this Hoover. This water is darker than any of the other water I think I have cleaned up with the Bissell. I could be wrong, but I do feel like this got a deeper down clean, deep into the carpet, pulled up all that dirt, unlike the Bissell. The Bissell just has the two rotating head brushes that aren't really that stiff, and this has two different types of cleaning with the brush roll that spins like this, like a regular brush roll, and the one that has the spin scrub. So it does a really good job. So let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.